Okay, so we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up your phone for remote repair or unlocking. So go into the dialer, *#0808#. It's going to bring you to your USB settings. You're going to select the very bottom one, which is DM plus modem plus ADB. Hit OK. And then go into settings. Go to About Device. You're going to look for the build number. Once you see the build number, click on it 7 times. Now you can see developer mode has been turned on. Go back. And right next to the About Device, there's going to be a developer options. I'm going to select that and make sure that your USB debugging has been highlighted. Your phone's ready to go.